Hi, in this video I will show you how to replace a batteries on a Samsung Galaxy A50. Okay, this is my smartphone, my main smartphone that I use to take most of the 4K footage in this channel. And this means that in this clip I use the other phone to take a video of this, so it will not be in 4K. And you can see that the back cover is clearly peeling off because the batteries has swollen. This probably results from a continuous use in 4K video recordings, which produce a lot of heat. The phone is still functional anyways. So I have ordered a replacement batteries already. And this is my replacement batteries. This type of replacement batteries can be found on an online platform for just about $10 per piece. This one also have a safety standard certification. A smartphone battery, thus they are designed to fit a specific phone model, so make sure you order the right one for your smartphone. You will also need a glue for sticking the back cover to the phone after you have replaced the batteries. I will use this B7000 glue, which can be bought for about $1 and normally sold for a smartphone repairing. Alright, first thing first, you will need to turn off the phone. Then remove the SIM and SD card tray. On this phone, you will need to insert an ejector tool or a paper clip into the slot. Then apply the hot air to soften the adhesive that holding the back cover. Be careful not to overheat the phone. Then remove the 13 Phillips head screw. Actually, I would recommend you to see an instruction on the iFixit website before doing this repair yourself. They have a great article about repairing the Samsung A50, including a battery replacement. Then you will have to remove the mid-frame assembly by inserting a guitar pick in between the display bezel and a mid-frame right above the charging port. Then continue prying through the rest of the bezel. Then disconnect the battery's terminal by lifting up with a plastic tool. You will also need to remove the two ribbon cables that are blocking the battery's access. The next step is probably the hardest part of this repair because the factory adhesive that are sticking the batteries to the case is very strong and are quite hard to remove. You can use the hot air to soften the adhesive, but be careful not to overheat the screen, as that may cause damage. Another recommended method is to use the isopropyl alcohol. Just be careful to apply it little by little, and careful not to spill it over the other component. Insert the plastic card in between the batteries and the case to separate the remaining adhesive. Then clean up the remaining adhesive residue using an isopropyl alcohol. Then apply the double-sided tape on the new batteries. You can also use the B7000 glue instead if you want. Position the new batteries into the case, then connect the batteries terminal. Reconnect the two ribbon cable. Then reassemble the mid-frame. Then before gluing down the cover, you should do the initial testing to make sure the new batteries is working properly. Then apply the B7000 glue around the edge of the back cover. Alright, that's it for today's. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.